Hello everyone, welcome to my educational video. My name is Diah Meliani from 4D Mathematics Education class. Today I will invite you to join my class and we will study together about linear equation system. Okay, I just you all perhaps ask why we must learn about this system of linear equation. Alright, now I show you what is used for. Yesterday, I shopped at the traditional market and bought two lemons, and one avocado at a total price of 33,000 rupiah. How do we determine the price for each product? To answer this question, we turn this into a mathematical model, which we call the linear equation system, and this material must be studied further. Therefore, we will learn to understand the meaning, types, and methods of solving and how to apply a system of linear equation in everyday life. What is the linear equation system? With the general form of mx plus b equals c, then a system of equation is the set of two or more equations involving the variables. Linear equation can be defined as the equation of the first order. The highest power of the variable in this system is 1. Therefore, considering that a linear equation is contained that the exponent of the variable is 1. Okay everyone, after getting to know the definition of linear equation system, you also have to know the element in the system of linear equation. For example, I provide the linear equation ax plus by plus c equals 0, and let's see together what the elements are in this equation. The first element, we have variables. Variables is a changer or replace a number whose value is not known with certainty. Variables are usually represented by letters. If you are confused, variables are the letters shown in the red circle. You can see in the red circle, we can call that variables. The second element, we have coefficient, where the red circle indicates and the coefficient is a number that explains how much the same kind of variables and coefficient are located in front of the variables. So you can call coefficient the pair of variables. The third element, we have constant. Constant is a constant number value because it is not followed by a variable behind it. To determine which element are called constant, you can look at the element circled in red. Okay, the element C, we can call that constant. Okay, after you getting now about the definition, the element of the linear equation system, let's talk about the types of linear equation system. The system of linear equation has three types seen from the many variables in the linear equation. Namely, first, system of one variable linear equation with the general form ax plus b equals y. The second, we have system of two variable linear equation with general form ax plus by equals c. And the third, we have the system of three variable linear equation with general form ax plus by plus cz equals d. Okay, in this slide, you can look at the slide, everyone. This is the general formula for a system of linear equation. The system consisting of a set of programs. Well, in this case, a system of linear equation definitely consists of more than one linear equation, whether it's the equation of one variable, two variables, or three variables. So, a system of linear equation is said to be a system if it consists of similar linear equation, and the example on the slide you can see is a one variable system of linear equation because it consists of one variable linear equation. Here there is only one variable, that is x. The next topic is how to solve system of linear equation. To solve problems in the form of a system of linear equation, we have three powerful methods. There are the elimination method, substitution method, and combined method of elimination and substitution. Let me explain to you about the methods. The first, elimination method. Elimination method is the solution method is carried out by removing or eliminating one of the variables in an equation. So, the keyword in the elimination method is removing or eliminating one of the variables in an equation. The second method is substitution. This method was performed by changing one variable from another equation. So the keyword in this method is changing one variable. The third method is combined method. The method was carried out by starting with elimination and then proceeding with substitution. So the keyword of the combined method is first, you can do with elimination, and second, you can do with substitution method. Let's us look at the use of each method. First, the elimination method. Okay, in this slide, I give some question, and to find the x value of the two linear equation for the two variables, we can perform elimination as shown in the first slide. In the first elimination step, we obtained the x value by eliminating the y value. And the second elimination, we obtained the value of y by eliminating the value of x. With the same problem, let's see the result obtained of using the substitution method. And the first step, we can create a new equation by changing the x value to 20 minus 2y. Then, substituting the x equation into the second linear equation, so we get the y value, and we can substitute the y value that we got back into the x equation. Then, we get the x value. Finally, let's see the result if we solve the same problem using the combined method. According to its definition, first we use the elimination method and get the value of x. Then we find the value of y by substituting the value of x that has been obtained previously. It is proven that with the combined method, the x and y result are also the same as the result of the elimination and substitution method. Okay guys, in this slide, let me tell you the following are tips for solving problems with system of linear equation. First, determine the mathematical relationship between the number or quantity in the problems. You can visual the quantity in the form of diagrams, table, or an word equation. The second, noun which quantity are known and unknown and determine the equation using algebraic form. Third, solve the equation and check whether your answer is right or wrong. Next, let's try to solve the following problems. At the first question, we have problem is the price of 5 kilograms apples and 3 kilograms orange is 79,000 rupiah, while the price of 3 kilograms apples and 2 kilograms orange is 49,000 rupiah. What is the price of 1 kilograms of apples? Okay, first we change the problem in the form of mathematical model. Then we get, let's take apples with the variable x, and let's say orange with the variable y. So we can arrange what is known, and it is found that there are two linear equations with two variables. Namely, the first equation we have 5x plus 3y equals 79,000 rupiah, and the second equation is there 3x plus 2y equals 49,000 rupiah. The second step, let's look again at what must be solved. In this question, what we are looking for is the price of 1 kilograms of apples. Then, by elimination, we can find the value of x by eliminating y. Then we get the price of 1 kilograms of apple as 11,000 rupiah. Okay guys, I will give you the next question to look at the problem and the discussion of the problems. And this is a solution for second question, and you can look at the slide everyone, and I hope you can understand what a solution is. Alright student, that's our discussion today about the linear equation system, and today we have learned what a linear equation system is, its types, the general form of each type, and the method of solving it. And we have tried some example of problems that are already on the slide. I hope that you can understand what has been taught today and are enthusiastic about always trying various other practice questions regarding the linear equation system, because this is very helpful in honing your skill in solving linear equation system problems. Okay student, that's all for me. See you for other educational videos. Thank you and goodbye.